guys, welcome to divyafied vlogs. Today I'm going to make a rich and spicy one-pot egg curry, that too in a clay pot, which will really enrich the taste and texture of the curry. To begin, first let's heat the pot, and once the pot is hot, let's add those ingredients. A teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cardamom pods, 3 cloves. Now mix them well and make sure that you do not burn them. Now add 1 large onion, two green chilies and saute them well. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute them well until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now let's add 1 tomato. And required amount of salt. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and mix them well. And then add some amount of water and let the tomatoes cook well. Once it has come to this consistency, add required amount of water for the curry as you need and let it boil. Meanwhile, break an egg and beat it well and add it to the curry once it starts boiling. Now let's add the eggs one by one into the curry. And let it boil for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, switch the sides of the egg and let it cook for 2 minutes. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves. Now, our tasty and spicy one-pot egg curry is ready to be served. Please do try this at your home and let me know your feedback. For more recipes, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to divyafied vlogs. Thank you.